Hey guys, this is Kiki Wild with Byram House. Welcome back to my channel. I'm getting my hair done because I'm just tired of combing every morning, doing it every morning, or doing it every time I have to go somewhere. You know what I mean? So I wanted to get a crochet hair done, and I went to the store thinking I was going to do something different, or like a different style, different hair, whatever. But this is what I ended up with, passion twist. Yes, you guys know I love my passion twist. And I did a video and I have it uploaded, reviewing crochet hair by the passion twist by Zury. And that hair, I so love that hair. Like I had to do it twice this summer and I really liked it. But I wanted to try some other companies. You know what I mean? Like this is passion twist by Lulutress. The color pattern is a little different. The twist looks different. So of course I want to try that. But you know, I have my braid pattern a little different too. I braided cornrows like this, 1, 2, 3. Then I used their ends to join to make one cornrow right here. 2, 3, 4, and then I braided 1, 2, and then joined them back here to make one. I braided this, and then on this side 1, 2, 3, and then for the fourth cornrow, of course I split it into 2, braided it, and then joined it back here. Made it really simple, no drama. Okay, so keep watching so we can see what this looks like and if we like this hair or not, or if this hair looks good or not. Keep watching. We're just reviewing this hair. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, join this family. Okay guys, I want to show you this hair. Just taking it out of the pack, I'm already like, I don't know, if I like this or not. It looks like it's gonna grow old fast. It looks like it's not gonna last long, or it's gonna look ugly real fast. But I wanted y'all to see what it looks like. I'm just like, oh my gosh, yes, you get what you pay for. Look at that. Okay, so hopefully it looks good. I don't want to regret paying for this, but can you guys actually see this? Okay, there you go. There you go. Like that. That's what it looks like. Keep watching and subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys how far I have gone. This is where we're at. Now y'all can tell I'm struggling, okay? I'm not done, but I'm just like, no, this is not, the hair is not bad. Some people would like this look. I'm struggling with it. So I'm not done yet, so I don't want to conclude, but I just let you know right now I'm struggling with it. So of course 6 packs is looking like it's not going to be enough, or there's just going to be a lot of holes in my hair. So a lot of holes. So I am like, okay, you know I like my hair full. I like my passion or twist, crochet, whatever you braid, anything that I do in my hair, I like it full. So the twist itself, it looks like it's going to like unravel on its own. Look, that easy. It can come out really fast. The way they have it looked, it could fall off on its own, so you have to be mindful about that and decide if you're going to loop it twice or not. I'm doing it one time because I'm like, yeah, that's what I don't have the time right now, okay? So this is how far I've gone. Keep watching. Let's see what the final look looks like, if we like it or not, or if we want to change it, all that. So I want to show you guys how far I have gone, and this is what it looks like right now. Of course, it's not completed, and we're out of hair. My 6 packs is gone, and I'm just bummed. You know what I mean? I'm like, okay, so you know, this side is okay. It's not that full, as you can tell. This is super scanty, and I'm just like, what? You know what I mean? So, of course, no. The curls are not bad. Earlier I was just like, I don't know, but it doesn't look like it's going to be that bad. You know what I mean? So, but anyway, so of course this video I have to continue it tomorrow in the morning. Bear with me. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm filming this video on the 6th. I started on the 2nd. The earlier part of the video was done on the 2nd, but because of election mess, we're doing this 4 days later. Okay. So, but I did buy 2 extra pads to make a total of 8, and there's 12 twists in each pad. Okay. So this is, yeah, 12 times 8. Okay. So it's not as full as I would like it, but it's not bad. And I'm not as mad as I was before, you know, with the twist and everything, because at first I was just like, oh, this is not going to work. But no, it's not that bad, actually. And I'm going to do a spin so you see what it looks like. The only thing I would have done differently is focus on this cornrow here. I think I was just in a rush and did whatever. I would have just made them look a little better. But I would take this twist apart to give it more volume 2 weeks in, and then I'll keep it for probably just three weeks at the most. But this, again, this is Passion Twist by Lulutress. Go ahead and try it if you like this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join this family. Hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.